Do you have Discord channels with interesting content that you want to forward to Telegram? Are you tired of manually copying and pasting messages between Discord and Telegram every day? Do you find it difficult to keep up with both platforms at the same time? Don't worry. We have the solution for you. How it works. With just 3 simple steps, you can automatically forward messages from Discord to Telegram. Step 1. Sign up and create your account. Step 2. Set up bot to Discord AMP, Telegram. Step 3. Add channels and start auto-forwarding.